And would you like to discuss anything else with Big Brother?
Yes, I forgot to mention something, Biggie. You see that fall where I fall for Arena yesterday? Delete the clips. Delete it on the internet because I have a feeling that I'm a meme right now, upside down smiling with one leg hanging inside somewhere. Oh God.
Big Brother will think about it.
You are blushing.
Oh God. Wahala. Big Brother. So how do you know I'm blushing? So you two, you like chemo practice? Is that what you're saying? Eh?
You are turning pink.
People, how can a grown-ass smile like me turn pink?
See, I've not been looking for trouble. I've just been calm, you know, well-behaved, thanks to the coffee.
And has trouble been looking for you?
No.
God, Big Brother, I was involved in 2 fights this week. One on Sunday with CC and one on Tuesday with Elebaye.
If you can, which you've already been doing, just keep the good work coming and just, you can increase it more if you can. That's all.
Your diary session has come to an end. You may now leave the diary room and enjoy the rest of your day.
Big Brother Naija.